Can you install a roof when it's really cold or really hot? And if you do, will it last as long? Or are you just asking for problems down the road? In this video, we're gonna break down the ideal temperature for roof installations and what can go wrong if it's too hot or if it's too cold. By the end, you'll know if right now is a good time for your project or if it's better to wait until there's better weather conditions. Hi, my name is Chris with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. I'm a sales manager here at the company. Today, I'm going to mainly be discussing my personal experience based off the products we install. We are certified contractors with Malarkey and Owens Corning, so that is what the metrics will be based off in this video. So what is the ideal temperature for asphalt shingle installation? So I would say probably between 40 and 90. So with asphalt shingles, you really want to have 40 and rising to install those. Just due to the cold temperatures, it may not seal properly. The shingles can become a little bit more brittle. You really want those shingles to get a strong bond. If you install them in the middle of winter when we kind of have a cold drought going on, those may not seal, and then a good wind could come through and rip them right up. So that's definitely something to take into account whenever you're looking to get your roof replaced. So when it comes to metal roofing in the winter, the guidelines are a little bit more loose on installation. We do prefer not to do it if it's too cold or too hot. And the main reason for that being is our crews are people. So we try not to put them in too extreme of conditions to where it could be dangerous for them as well. However, when it does get really cold, we do tend to lean more towards a metal installation than we do a shingle installation, just because there's less chance for error. Your main risk with installing shingles in the winter time is once you hit that sub 40 degrees, the shingles become brittle. They may not adhere as well either, because that sealant strip there, it's not going to activate due to the cold weather. And then also nails can blow through shingles easier whenever they're brittle. So those are some of the main risk factors when installing either Malarkey or Owens Corning. Owens Corning specifically states that you should not install below 40, whereas Malarkey will actually give you a guideline to install below 40. What that installation guideline pertains is that the materials are to be kept in a warm warehouse. So here at Hoel Roofing, we have a shop that's heated, so we can keep those shingles inside the shop while they're here. Once they're delivered to the job site, they need to sit in the sun so that way they warm up enough for installation. And then when you're installing them, you need to leave a hair of a gap there, so that way as they expand a little bit, when it starts to warm up, they don't overlay on top of each other. Getting your roof installed correctly for the weather at hand can make a huge difference. That can be the difference between your roof lasting 25 years and your roof lasting 5 years. If you're planning to start a project here soon, we're happy to help you pick a product that fits your area and your budget. To learn more, check the link in the description or give us a call at 765-561-4023. We'll help you get it done right no matter the season.